Hello guys, welcome to today's video. So in this video I'm just gonna quickly go through the idea of index bounds in arrays. So this is gonna work in most of let me say this idea applies to most of containers, either STL containers or this kind of built-in arrays. So with these built-in arrays, the arrays we declare with sizes like this. So we are forced to give these arrays sizes beforehand, you know that. So this is just to allocate some blocks of memory next to each other like this. So keep in mind, whenever we index, we start from 0. So here are 5 blocks with their positions or indexes, right? So these are the blocks of memory we have allocated. And over here in the first one, we have put programming. And then the second one, we had going on like that. But then moving on, there might be some other blocks of memory. Some other blocks we don't even care about. So can you see their indexes? -1, -2, going to the other side. Then here, 5, 6, 7, going to the other side. So what happens is, with this kind of arrays, we are allowed to index out of the boundaries. So the boundaries are 4 and 0, the lower bound and the upper bound. So with this kind of arrays, we can index the memory we don't even care about, something far away like 8. So we can index the 8th element. We won't even get an error. We can get something else or nothing, but we can index this memory. So in other words, these arrays do not have bound checking. So whenever you are indexing elements, so if you want to access any element in here, you have to be careful of your index. Do not ever go out of range, because if you go out of range, you can get something else. So you're just gonna be happy and say, well, you're indexing something from me, then it's gonna give you something, but something you don't want. So always be careful of this size. Never go out of it, or never go out of the boundaries. So stay on these blocks of memory which you have allocated. So don't ever index stuff outside. So let's just demonstrate that right now. So I'm just gonna print out the elements from this array. So I'm gonna take the first one over here, which is the 0th element. Remember how we index those elements. So taking this, it's gonna give me programming. Let me show you right now quickly. Oh, sorry, let me comment this out. Some useless stuff. So there we go. It gives me what? Programming. So this is the 0th element. It resides somewhere here. By the way, I forgot to mention, this is just an abstract structure of how your RAM might look like. So this is not exactly how things are positioned in computer memory.